Today I am testing the Foundcealer foundation from Tarte. Tarte is known for clean vegan beauty and for their cult favorite concealer, Shape Tape. But will this foundation be a cult favorite? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 3.5. The things I like about this foundation are that it has a natural finish, a medium coverage, an SPF of 20, and it is buildable. The things I don't like about this foundation are that it starts to separate within 2 to 3 hours. It's difficult to blend, it didn't last, and although it's meant for a normal to dry skin, my skin felt extremely dry and it looked flaky. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is normal to dry. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.